Is dropshipping still profitable, or has the gold rush ended? In the next 3 minutes, you'll get the truth. No fluff, no hype. And by the end, you'll know whether dropshipping is a waste of time or your ticket to financial independence. Let's break it down. 1. Everyone's doing it. Market saturation is real. But that's only half the story. 2. Ad costs are rising. Facebook and TikTok ads aren't cheap anymore. 3. Shipping delays kill customer trust. Amazon has spoiled us. 4. Poor product selection equals zero loyalty. Selling junk leads to chargebacks. 5. Scammy gurus ruin the brand. Now everyone thinks it's a scam. Remember when every YouTuber was selling hot LED dog collars? Yeah, we've all evolved. Transition. But before you bury dropshipping, consider this. 6. It's low risk, low cost to start, no inventory, no warehouse. 7. Automation is better than ever. AI handles customer service, copywriting, even fulfillment. 8. Smart targeting wins. The riches are in the niches. 9. Hybrid models are exploding. Print on demand, branded dropshipping equals long-term brand equity. 10. Winning products still exist. You just need better tools and better research. And no, your aloe vera watermelon slicer doesn't count as a niche product. Transition. So the model isn't dead. It's just evolved. Which brings us to the real question. 11. If you want passive income, this isn't it. At least not at first. 12. If you want to build a brand, this is your training ground. 13. If you treat it like a business, it can scale. 14. If you chase trends, you'll burn out. 15. If you master customer experience, you win. But if you really want dropshipping to lead to wealth, you need to understand what makes money grow quietly, consistently, and exponentially. It's not flashy, but it's powerful. Click the video on your screen now to unlock the secret every true entrepreneur uses behind the scenes. The power of compounding. How to build wealth while you sleep. This is where real freedom begins. Don't miss it. Would you like a B-roll guide, voiceover pacing file, or thumbnail title?